In this video, I will show you how to connect Skool to Zapier.com. So the first thing you need to do is go to Skool.com and then click on settings, click on plugins, and then go ahead and click on Zapier and make sure that the Zapier is turned on. And then after that, click on API key and then go to Zapier, click on create, click on Zap, and then click on triggers and then search for Skool. Then click on it and then choose an event. So you can choose this between these two, and then after that you can see the account here. Just click on it and then click on connect a new account, and then here paste the API key here, and then after that you will need a group URL. So go to Skool again and then copy here the URL here. Then after that, go back to Zapier and then paste it here. So make sure that you remove this. Just erase it. And then after that, here click on continue. And then it is already connected. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.